In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shippo. Shippo lets you buy shipping labels, sync orders from your online store, and send tracking updates automatically. We'll go from creating your account to printing your first label, with tips to keep things smooth. Start by creating your Shippo account on the sign-up page, using your business details and a plan that fits your volume. After you log in, open Settings, then Addresses, and add your business sender address. Mark it as the default sender and return address so every label pulls the correct info. Next, go to Billing and add a valid credit or debit card. Shippo needs payment details on file before you can purchase labels. With your address and billing saved, your account is ready to ship. If you sell through an e-commerce platform, connect your store so orders import automatically. In Settings, choose Stores, select your platform, enter your store URL, and click Connect or Continue to authorize. Once connected, eligible orders will appear on the Orders page in Shippo. You can connect multiple stores, even across different platforms, under one account. Shippo includes built-in carrier accounts, so you can buy labels right away without your own contracts. If you already have negotiated rates with a carrier like FedEx, connect that account in Settings, Carriers, under your accounts. Click Connect Carrier Account, pick the carrier, enter the requested details, and once it's verified, you'll see your rates when choosing services. Before you start fulfilling, set helpful defaults. Create package templates for the boxes or mailers you use most, including dimensions and empty weight, and name them clearly for quick selection. If your store is connected, open Settings, Stores, Manage, and enable Sync to Store plus Fulfill automatically, so Shippo sends tracking and updates order status after purchase. Now ship your first order. Go to Orders and select an imported order, or create a manual order if you're not using a connected store. Confirm the recipient details, choose your saved sender address, and enter package weight and dimensions or pick a template. Compare the carrier services shown, select the best fit or the cheapest recommended option, then confirm and buy the label. Download and print it, attach it to your package, and, if sync is enabled, your store will automatically update with the tracking number. That's the complete setup: account, store, carriers, preferences, and your first label. Everything you need to start shipping confidently with Shippo.